We're in New York. It's cold, it's snowing, and the question becomes, do you cover or don't you? My name is Amy from Camping Companions. Winter sometimes lasts like 5 months out of the year. So my question to you is, do you cover your camper when it's snowing? You can see our camper that's parked outside at my parents' home. It's been snowing the last couple days, so there's quite a bit of snow on it. You can see on the stairs there. And you can also see that we don't cover our camper. Let me go inside where it's warmer and we can discuss why. So while we're videoing today, I'm sitting here with my dog Rex, who's enjoying a little bit of fun time with his bone. In fact, he's being a ham for the camera. Rexy, say hi. Good boy. So a couple years back, we put a central air unit in at our house. Right now I'm staying at my parents' house. My house isn't this nice. But we were told not to cover the air conditioning unit. We were told not to cover the air conditioning unit because all it was really doing was making a shelter for mice, a safe place for them to go and stay over the winter. So with that in mind, we chose not to cover our camper either because we don't want to make a safe home for mice. The other reason why we don't do it is because, actually smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. The other reason we don't, my dog is goofy. The other reason why we don't do it is we had a cover on our pop-up at one time and it ended up ripping and it was a waste of money. It was a couple $100 and it lasted one season because it ripped and we couldn't use it anymore. So we chose to not cover our camper, and let me know what you think. I mean, do you think you should cover the camper? And if you do, why do you? Give me the reasons. Comment below. I'd love to hear it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We'd really love to have you. And hit that bell notification so that you can get notified of every time we post a new video. And please comment below. Do you cover or not?